How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video, take a look at MVIS MicroVision. You guys know I love this company, love this ticker. So we did let you know in the private Discord about this stock at $5, and really we've been saying it ever since. Wow, it had to be like midsummer. Let's check it. Oh, let's check the 1 year chart. I mean, we were telling you, yeah, way back over here, even at $1.50, and then as well in the summer at $1.50 as well, before the original pump right here. We traded right here. So, but to break down today's price movement, low up there at 4.69, and then a high up there at $7, and we just hit it. It was honestly, it was a big pump, so we'll have to see if we can hold these levels. We are kind of forming a bull pennant right here, so we'll have to see if we can hold really the 645 level, which I think we can, because the overall price action that we haven't seen any news on it, but we'll check that in a second. More support at 579. VWAP is way down there at 555, so we'll definitely have to hold that, and maybe I want VWAP to push up even more. We do have a shortened week this week due to it being Christmas. So we take it to the 20-day. We're at 20-day highs, and we take it back to the 1 year chart. We are at 1 year high. So, like I said, with the earnings, what were these? -3. Okay, so -3, -4, -2, -2 again. So the companies right now, it is losing money, but obviously being negative. But at the same time, it's not getting worse. If anything, it's getting better and staying the same. And with COVID. Now, they're obviously doing better with COVID. Now, for the news way back here in May, we were talking about how it could be bought out by, or they could get a partnership with Microsoft, because their technology is very cool. I definitely recommend you guys check out that. It's very cool technology. For the computers, or even for their Xbox, and they put MVIS tech in it. So that was the reason, and we came back down, but we held really good levels right there at $1, and we really haven't seen below $1 until what was the date right here? Way back in June. So that is very, very good. Once you broke out of the $3 level, there was really no turning back. Yesterday's high was 583. This chart doesn't take into account pre-market or after hours, so that's why. So we'll have to see if we can hold it tomorrow to the 5-day, 15-minute. More support right now at $6, 559. So same thing, but we are kind of pushing up right now. Taking back to the 1 day, 1 minute. Okay, this is really good. So look, we just broke out of that 673. Next stop is that $7 level to potentially $8. I don't know, 3-year chart, 20-year chart. So we are okay. So I'm going to assume this was a split. Then again, I don't know, because it's not showing up on the chart. So it could not have been a split. Could have, maybe, possibly. We do have some more resistance, I guess, at 850. So that could be a level to watch out for as well. Now, taking you into the news, there wasn't any news on it today. There hasn't been since, it hasn't even featured in an article since the 18th. Now, granted, that was, Friday, but ROC Insights, so return on capital employed. You guys can pause the video and read any of this if you want to. Just more featured in a couple articles about stocks that are moving. Way back in the beginning of December, MicroVision announces addition of Judy Curran, I think, to its board. So is it hype, or are the big boys planning something? We'll have to see and find out. I really don't want it to be a pump because I like their tech. It's basically Iron Man tech. You guys take a look at it, honestly. We had a good day, a low of 469, high of $7 right there. Now, granted, I would, for the long haul, I guess I wouldn't have wanted to pump up to 7, but if you guys day traded it, congratulations to you. The long bulls may not like it right now, because we are going to pull back a little bit. I mean, it's guaranteed. And if not, it's really going to pull back in a couple days just because of the overall price movement. I take it back to the 1 year chart so we can see the volume. 22 million shares. It's not. It's a good it's a good runner for like a day trade stock, but really that's nothing unheard of, especially for a $5 stock. With these days right here, these 268 million. Now that is something. The price was lower, but still, we'll have to see about fourth quarter's earnings on how good they will or bad they potentially would be. I guess more support at 525, but I can go ahead and clean up some of these lines for you if we can get a next video, because like I said, I didn't make a video on it in a while really, and we'll just have to see where the price goes in the future. Alright guys, that was MVIS. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. Remember guys, join the private Patreon. Join the Patreon, you get the private access to the Discord. You get a daily watch list and daily alerts. I try to find it, but some days like today there wasn't a lot moving, but MVIS was, and we definitely got it registered right there at the $5. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.